In this episode, I'm going to teach you how to add a simple image slideshow to your website using JavaScript. If you haven't checked out the previous episodes on HTML and CSS, be sure to go and watch them. First, we'll create a new file called script.js. Then we connect this with the HTML file using the script tag. Next, we create an image tag and name it slide. I want this to be a width of 400 and a height of 200. Now we have to edit the JavaScript code. So go to the script.js file. Let's create a variable called I with a value of 0. Another variable called images with no value inside an array. And a variable called time with a value of 2000, which means 2 seconds. I want to add some images to the array. So let's add the image names inside the array. I already have the images and I'll link them in the description if you want to check them out. Now let's make a function called changeImage and type documents.slide.source equals to images of I. What this means is it will go through all the images in the image class called slide, which we named earlier in the HTML file. Now let's make an if-else statement. So if I is less than image.length minus 1, then I plus plus. Here the image length is 3, but the base starts from 0 and we want to check the last index, which is 2, so we deduct 1. If it's true, then increment I by 1, and if it's at the last index, then set the value back to 0. Now I want to add a delay effect after every image, so type in set timeout change image time, where change image is the function and time is the duration. Now outside the function, type in windows.onload equals change image. What this does is call the function every time the page reloads. And you're done. Now I hope you have a base understanding of how HTML, CSS, JavaScript works, and if you enjoyed these videos and want me to make more small tutorials like this, then comment down below. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and I'll see you soon.